kind of sad about it.
Yeah, me too. So we all just woke up, and we got here at Adams at like 2:30 in the morning.
Did you see the car?
Yeah.
Like, bitch, get the fuck out of my way. You don't know what you're fucking with.
This thing is fast. This thing
It's pretty fast.
It's scary.
It's an RX-7 killer.
Yeah. after what? 2 days ago? Yeah.
Yeah.
Fucking RX-7.
It was sick.
But yeah, we got at Adams last night around like 2:30, and then it's 9 o'clock now, and we're heading to his open house, which is going to be a lot of fun. Adam hired me to make just like a little feature recap of the entire open house, so that should be a lot of fun. And yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Other than the vibrations.
Yeah.
The vibrations are a little annoying.
Yeah. But other than the open house, I am dropping merch today, which I'm super stoked about. Yeah. Let's get to his shop, see what we got going on. Alright, so as you guys know, I'm filming this event for Adam and his channel, so I don't really have too much that I can say today. I'm going to be running all day with this thing, getting all the shots I need to get and all that stuff. It's coming out good so far. There's so many people here. It is absolutely insane, but I'm super stoked to be out here. It's really, really cool, and yeah, I think I'm giving the gimbal a break right now. I'm learning that, like I said in like the last video I shot, staggered, take my time with it. I don't need to burn through all my batteries within the first 2 hours. The event goes for another 5 hours from now, so I'll be able to put together a nice little video for Adam, and I'm also going to be editing his entire vlog today, which will be pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So how's it going, man? Good. So in the meantime, while I'm giving this thing a break, I'm gonna walk around a little bit, show off some of the cars that are here. Every YouTuber that I haven't met before that I watch is pretty much here, which I think is really cool. That dude in blue, TJ Hunt, Dustin Williams, Randy, Motion Auto, they're all here, and they're all super nice dudes. I've already met them and talked to them, but I didn't film it because I was running around with my gimbal and just getting all the shots that I need. But I'm gonna do a quick recap, walk around, and show some really cool cars, and show TJ's and Rand all their cars and stuff. So it's really cool out here. This thing is an absolute monster. I love this. Absolutely insane. This thing is super clean. The engine bay on this is spotless. I love this. Coil rad, single, fucking gorgeous. We got TJ's car out here. This thing is super clean. I love that he got the I love that he bought the TEs for the Supra, but ended up putting them on this. They actually look so much better on this. Engine bay is super clean. The car itself is super clean. Tommy was very like biased about this car because Tommy is super OEM plus, but I am like, I love OEM plus stuff, but I'm also a stance boy, so this is like my spec of build, and if I had the money for stuff like this, it would probably be somewhere like this. It's super clean. I love the wing, I love the diffuser, I love the wheels, I love the hood. Steering wheel's sick. All the carbon is beautiful. Awesome car. I probably would have kept the flip-ups though if it was my build, but I don't got that kind of money. I always love seeing this thing in person. It just gets better and better. I love the new livery that he put over it. It fits it so well. This car out of all the cars that I have been in drifting is by far my favorite. It just feels so tight to the ground. Adam just like knows what he's doing so perfectly. It's effortless. It's such a fun car. It's super cool. I absolutely love it. All right, so I just finished talking to a bunch of you guys. Huge shout out to you guys, whoever came out to me. You guys are all awesome. But I'm gonna put this thing down and grab the gimbal and continue getting shots of this, since that's pretty much what I'm here for. And I'm stoked to see how the video comes out. But I'll check back in with you guys later today, and hopefully this will turn into a full video, and I can talk with some of the other YouTubers and stuff like that. So I'll see you guys in a bit. What are you doing in here? Laying around?
Trying to take a nap.
Yeah. How are your feet? My feet are killing me.
Yeah. I haven't stood this long for a long time.
All right, well, I apologize for not filming too much on the vlog. I've just been running around filming today. And the video itself for Adam is gonna come out really good. So when you guys watch Adam's video, I hope you guys enjoy my footage section of the video, because it looks good. I think it's gonna come out pretty good. But we're towards the end of today, and I think we got like maybe a half an hour left before it's time to head back to Adam's for the after party. You ready for the after party, dude?
My video got demonetized.
No, you didn't.
I swear to God.
Nah, that's some December crap.
I know, dude. I'm pissed. Trying to.
It's right.
Do your knees hurt?
From standing off?
Are you?
Yeah,
Suck it off.
What are you doing?
Dude, my feet are killing
My feet are
me.
kind of hurt.
I just uploaded my video.
I wore like I need like
It's
the best
demonetized?
shoes I have to
Dude,
wear all day. And I'm like,
I've been running around filming all day. It's like, Cletus's new pickup. This thing is ridiculous. You guys heard in maybe some of the footage from Adam's section of the video, this thing pulling in. I don't know if I'll include it in my video. I think Adam will be using it, but this thing sounds crazy. Their way to end a long day's work of filming with some nice Gringos tacos.
ew! Didn't get a single napkin. Let me see. You guys don't want them side with the kid.
What do you think of tacos, dude?
What the hell is that? I'm clean now.
Makes me sick.
I just grabbed some stuff.
All right, so the event is over. We're all here. I'm importing Adam's video right now, getting that all set up. And now, since this was technically a charity event, we're bringing all the toys in. And there is so many toys.
This is
Jeff
wild,
hard
dude.
at work here.
Go see how much is still in.
I know. Brent's out here hard at work.
Awesome, man.
This is super
So much
cool.
love, right?
Oh yeah, so much love, dude.
So many.
So many toys. So awesome.
Pull in again. Ready? Arms out.
Oh my god.
No. Go get in there.
Ready?
Ready?
Not towards the hard step. Holy shit.
When I said we got toys, I'm not kidding, dude. We got toys.
Oh, that looks like what I used to get for Christmas.
Look at this. This is insane.
Awesome.
Cleared out what? 3 department stores?
Yeah, for sure.
This is
Literally.
crazy, dude.
Maybe more. It looks
Maybe
like
a
a lot
Toys R
more
Us.
now that it's actually in here versus in the trailer, because it like was spread out.
Yeah.
It's yeah. This is nuts.
This is like
This should feel like multiple.
this is a feel good moment.
Like
It, honestly, the love is unreal.
Wow.
like a banner.
I will say, out of all the FDs that I've seen, yours is definitely my favorite.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that.
Yeah. No, 100%.
Thank you. Yeah, she's my baby.
I absolutely love it.
Thank you.
Love
man.
everything. I just got my first air ride kit like a about a month and a half ago. Yeah.
Is it like installed and running and everything?
Yeah.
How do you like it?
It's super nice.
Yeah, man.
I just imported a Soarer, and I fucking air rided that thing, and I fucking. It's so nice.
Yeah, man. It's something that you don't truly appreciate until you drive it or like live it one yourself, and you're like, wow, I never have to worry about scraping ever again.
Right.
And it drives nice, and it also this is fun fucking going up and down.
Exactly,
shit,
dude.
yeah.
I've been a full static person all my life, and then when I got this car,
you converted hard.
I converted for the Soarer, and I was like, damn, what have I been like missing out on?
Yeah, no, it's definitely one of those things. You just have to like try it, and you have to drive someone's car that's set up right,
Right.
Air suspension to be like, oh, it does feel the same.
Yeah. No.
It's good to hear. I always like hearing people that come from the static that they're like, I converted. And
Yeah.
I'm like, damn right you did.
Yeah. After I saw this go on air, I was like, okay, I'm gonna try air, see how I like it. I fucking love it. So
Yeah, man.
yeah.
Good on you.
It's nice seeing this thing in person, all the way from the West Coast. How do you think this is gonna turn out here, guy? With this guy.
I mean, this
getting
dude's in this cart. They're pushing him out of the garage right now. Tommy's screaming, "Do it for Dale." I don't know what's going on, man. I'm very scared.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Yeah.
Tommy's out of control.
Yeah.
Look at him. Look at him.
I know.
He's red. Maybe I am, but here I am talking to Mike's vlog.
Cheers, guys.
It's not your birthday anymore, but happy delayed
It's definitely
birthday.
still my birthday.
Oh, it is.
It's
I thought it was
still my birthday.
I think I was the first person to tell you happy birthday.
Bullshit.
He was.
I was. So right there, I'm telling you guys right now, go buy this dude's merch. You see this shirt? This motherfucker hasn't given me one. I had to buy it. I had to buy his merch. So do you. It's his birthday. Go buy it. It's probably not going to be his birthday when they see this.
When they see this, or
But
when they
just
get
know
it,
it's his
but
birthday now. And
it's
okay,
right
how
now.
about this?
What?
I'm doing this for you.
Okay.
If I chug this right now, you see it? You see it in the camera?
Yeah.
Everyone's got to buy a shirt.
You think so?
I think so. If I fail, then I buy all your shirts. You ready? All right. You better do it. Don't be an asshole, right? Don't be an asshole. Here we go.
Here we go.
Just so you know, that's like my 8th one. Go buy a shirt. Support my dude Mike. He's filming me for the week. Sorry, little buzz here. And I just chugged this whole thing. It's like the 8th one.
Did you
breezy.
do it well or did you like fail?
It was what, 5 seconds?
Yeah.
My stomach is full.
That's what I'm saying.
I feel like Santa Claus right now. Honestly.
I mean, 'tis the season.
Go buy a shirt. That's it. That's all I'm saying. I'm gonna go vape outside.
All right.
High five, Mike.
High
High
five.
five to the camera.
Oh! You fucked up.
Did you drink all the pineapple? No. Asshole. Get an Uber. Get him to deliver pineapple right now. We're out.
I'm driving home. Let me just say, it's been awesome meeting Randy here.
Yo,
too.
it's been awesome, dude. Today feels like a YouTube camp.
Dude, seriously,
Right?
It's been really
dude,
cool.
a lot of these guys, honestly, every single fucking YouTuber here, like this guy
Hey.
that I've seen on YouTube, dude, we get to hang out today. What is going on? It was fun. Everybody's
It's
super
been
cool.
super fun.
It's
Hell
cool.
yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers, boys.
Get into Mike. David's worth. Oh yeah, I watched your video.
The first one that he did was so good.
Choke artist.
Let's get Randy. Yeah.
Give me on the butt cheek at least. Give me on the butt cheek.
Yeah, get him in the butt cheek.
Stuck to his ass. Oh boy. Next day, everyone's out there getting ready to go. I've been editing Adam's vlog since probably like 11. No, when did we get here? I've been editing for a long ass time. So I've just been doing that and just got that finished. And so they're gonna head out. Me and Jack are gonna stay behind, wait for this to be done, and then we are going to meet them at the drag strip. So that should be super cool. But I just wanted to say thank you, Adam, so much for letting me stay here, letting us stay here. It's been super cool. Super nice dude. The open house was so much fun. I had so many people come up to me, ask me questions, take pictures with me, had me sign stuff. It was really an awesome experience. And I hope I am able to come back for the next open house further next year. But yeah, I just wanted to close this video out since I totally forgot to close it out yesterday. Sorry that I didn't film too much on my vlog camera. I was just running around with my gimbal getting all the shots that I needed and, you know, all that stuff. But regardless, I hope you guys enjoyed the little video. And I don't know if I'm going to be making any more videos while I'm down here, for my channel at least. I know Chris and Tommy, they both need me for filming on their channels. So we'll see, but I just want to close this video out and hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.